Hello everyone, today we are going to learn a very interesting poem, The Balloon Man, from English Marigold book of CBSE class 3rd. So let's start to enjoy The Balloon Man. Does a balloon man visit your market? Let's see what this balloon man brings with him. The balloon man, he always comes on market days and holds balloons, a lovely bunch, and in the market square he stays and never seems to think of lunch. See students, in different cities there are different market days, and this balloon man comes on market days with lovely and different colors balloon bunches. And he always stand in the market square and never looks like to think of lunch. Now we will see next stanzas of the poem. They are red and purple, blue and green, and when it is a sunny day, the cars and people get between. You see them shining far away, and some are big and some are small, and all tied together with a string. And if there is a wind at all, they tug and tug like anything. See student, this balloon man comes on market days with red, purple, blue, green balloons. In sunny days, all these balloons shining from far away, and some are big and some are small, and all the balloons are tied together with one string, with one thread. And if there is a wind, they all tug and tug like anything in the sky. Some days perhaps he will let them go, and we shall see them sailing high, and stand and watch them from below. They would look pretty in the sky. Students, here is one small girl, and she is talking about the balloon man. She says, one day what happened, that balloon man will let balloons go in the sky, and all the balloons will sail high. It means that balloons will go up in the sky, and we will stand and watch them from below, and all the balloons will look so pretty up in the sky. Now we will see some questions and answers of the poem. So let's start with first question. Where does the balloon man stand? The answer is, the balloon man stands at the square of the market. Now we will see second number question. What happens to the balloons when there is a wind? The answer is, the balloons tug here and there when there is a wind. Now we will see third number question. What does the child like to see the balloon man do? The answer is, the child wants the balloon man to let choose the balloons in the air. He wants to see them flying high in the sky. Now we will see fourth number question. How high can balloons fly? The answer is, balloons can fly very high depending upon their size. Let's see next question. What do you like about this poem? This poem tells us about the various types of balloons. So I like this poem. Now we will see next question. Identify the words from the jumble and write the word in the space provided. See, the answer is balloons, blue, below, lunch, people, and last one is card. Now see, how many colors can you find hidden in the maze? Write their names below. With answer this maze I have given here. Just read that color's name. White, red, green, orange, yellow, blue, brown, black, pink. Now see, fill in the blanks with their opposites. You can find them in the poem The Balloon Man. Never, always, small, big, rainy, sunny, low, high, and last one is sit, stand. I hope you have understood the poem. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe our channel to get more videos on NCERT classes. Once again, thanks for watching.